Can I taste it first?
No.
Why? Please.
Look at it.
Very beautiful.
Today we will make banana bread in the bread maker SilverCrest from Lidl. Simplest recipe of banana bread. For this we will take a bread maker and we'll start. Let's microwave it 30 seconds. The butter and oil is warm, and I put it in our bowl like this. Next, 2 eggs. And 2. Slightly mixed them like this. Put here vanilla extract. It will be enough, I think. 5 medium bananas, ripe and medium size. This is small, because of that we have more bananas. To mash them. As you see, we put them here. One cup of sugar. 330 grams of flour. I think it will be enough. Half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, or maybe slightly less. That's all. Let's mix all of it. We need to mix it because all of the ingredients must be off the walls. After we slightly mixed it, it looks like this, and we can put it in the bread maker. So in this way. Turn it on. Program 8 cake. I do max weight and maxed here brown. Turn it on and it starts to mix. As you see, our banana cake is mixed. I'm mixing now. Cool. Looks cool. One minute left, and it will be ready. If you would like medium, you can take it out now, but we would like well done banana bread. Because of that, we will choose program 15 to bake. Choose 10 minutes of time. Turn it on. Banana bread for kids is ready. And we will take it eject. This. After 20 minutes, this very tasty banana bread well done.
Let's taste it. It looks very beautiful, actually.
Actually, okay.
It has like a thunder right here. Can I taste it first?
No.
Why? Please.
Look at it.
Very beautiful.
How beautiful it is. Banana bread.
Can I try
Or
it?
banana cake. Let's divide it. Taste it.
Wow. That's good.
Delicious.